The year passed. Where did the year go? It felt so slow. Where did the year go? Only history will now know. The end of the year addresses the fear of the unknown new year with a happy or a sad tear. Why were we so afraid of the path last year laid? As of now, we wish it stayed, but it has passed, even though we prayed. It laid the foundation in stone, so the new year did not start alone. The new year brings a fresh song and tone, remembering the old year that has flown. Geskryf deur Jaco Engelbreg, gelees deur Margaret.